The objective of the laser department job is to use a laser to cut parts. The equipment used includes a laser cutter and a table on wheels. The tool used is an air-powered drill. The materials used include metal parts that range in size and weight, metal scrap, and pallets. The work environment is an indoor work environment with heating but no air conditioning. The personal protective equipment includes floor mats, safety glasses, steel-toed shoes, and safety sleeves. The workers observed were 6 feet tall and 5 feet 5 inches tall. The work tasks for the laser department job begin by programming the computer for the job at hand. Setup for a given job can take anywhere between 10 minutes and 1 hour and consists of workers positioning fixtures on the laser. Next, the laser department worker will cut parts with the laser. They get the part to be cut and carry it to the fixture, position the part in the fixture, and secure the part in the fixture. Next, the worker will activate the laser cutter. When cutting is complete, the worker will remove the part from the fixture. Next, workers will remove the scrap from the part. From here, they will carry the part to a table or pallet. If required, workers will drill holes in the part. Anywhere from 8 to 300 parts will be run through this process for a given setup of the laser cutter. There were several ergonomic risk factors observed for the laser department job. Repeated and sustained exertions were rated as a low pace. Hands were in steady motion or exertion to position a part in the fixture and set up the laser cutter. However, regular extended pauses were observed during laser cutter cycles. Sustained exertions were observed and included continuous standing. Forceful exertions were required to get, lift, carry, position, and secure metal parts. Additionally, forceful exertions were required to remove scrap from parts, and to drill holes in metal parts. Awkward postures were observed and included neck twisting to position the part in the fixture. Torso flexion, or forward bending, and extended arms were required to position parts in the fixture. Torso flexion, or forward bending, extended reach, and forearm pronation, or palms down, and supination, or palms up, were needed to secure parts in the fixture. Extreme torso flexion, or forward bending, shoulder abduction and adduction, or upper arm elevated and away from the body, and wrist flexion, or forward bending, to drill holes in the part were observed. Forearm supination, or palms up, to carry and position parts was additionally observed. Neck flexion, or forward bending, and forearm pronation, or palms down, was required to position parts on the fixture. The mechanical or localized contact stress observed was contact stress between the hands and the arms and the edges of the parts. It is important to note that gloves and sleeves were worn. The recommendations for the laser department job include: consider using stools and/or sit-stand chairs while the laser is cutting parts to decrease sustained exertions. Investigate a height-adjustable table for the pallet used to stack the parts to reduce forceful exertions and awkward postures. Finally, consider using cameras and monitors to view the cutting process to decrease awkward postures.